Hey guys, my sister's coming into town next week, so I've decided to make her a wreath this year that's going to be in the same style as her home decor now. So she has her home decorated in a blend of like a rustic boho theme. So she likes colors like burnt orange, creams, gold, black, whereas my brother-in-law, it likes more of the rustic style decor. So I'm really trying to incorporate both of their styles into this wreath. By the way, my sister gave me a really good idea to take custom orders for my wreaths and other home decor. So let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see that happen. Currently, I'm on Etsy under Brooks Wreath and Decor. The link is in my bio. All that I have to do now is attach the bow and then fluff it out, and then it'll be waiting for my sister for next week.